Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Revolut card to Samsung Pay. First, download the Revolut app from the Google Play Store or App Store and log in. Open your Samsung app or Samsung shop and go to the checkout page. On the payment screen, scroll down and tap credit or debit card. Choose debit card. Now switch to your Revolut app, go to the card section and either use your existing card or apply for a virtual card. Tap Show Details to view your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Copy those. Go back to Samsung Pay, paste your card details, and complete the checkout. And that's it. That's how to add your Revolut card to Samsung Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.